I love you, Mom.
I love you too, son. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Do I just hit play?
Click on the little play button.
2girls1cup.com. Oh! No! No! Oh, I can't watch that. Oh, I can't watch that. God, that was gross.
Mom, you didn't even see the first part.
You didn't see the part to it?
No, it was much worse. Wait. I don't think you better watch it, Mom.
Oh, we're going to go back to the beginning.
No, that's more. Okay, quit watching it for a minute.
Is it really her doing that?
No, it's not. It's ice cream.
Oh. It's making me... Go give me some.
It gets worse.
I can't watch it. That is horrible. Oh. That was horrible.
Mom.
Oh. That's horrible, man.
If Mother Olive was the guiding force behind the family's success,
This is that place where I hate.
oversaw every last detail.
Well, you asked if it was real or not.
Oh, you stopped it for me.
Did you say it's real or not? Okay, just cover your eyes for a second.
No, not this I can't take.
Okay, yeah, don't look for a minute. It goes on for about 5 more seconds.
3, 2, 1. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, man, that is gross.
You want me to pause it for you?
No.
Where'd you go?
No. Now, see, if I'd known they was going to do that, I would have watched it.
I told you it got worse.
The end. Turn it off. Oh, that's horrible.